there's my original faulty MAF sensor. I've managed to bodge it, and the 3 pins in there, I've managed to get them all touching again. But I've had a little run today without its filter because I couldn't be arsed swapping the filter over to change it onto a MAF sensor. But I've had my package today from SCOOBTUBE Centre, and it's another MAF sensor. So I now have 1, 2, 3 MAF sensors. This one I smashed open to fix it, and it started working again, and I got maybe another couple of months out of it before it fizzled out. I have a front mount intercooler on this, so I can't have the standard airbox, so I have to run it with the induction kit, and I'm just frying them like hell. So I'm just going to go and have my lunch. Just thought I'd check in, let you know that the MAF sensor's arrived. We'll get it fitted and might go for a little drive, see if eyeball's about. So I have my original MAF. The next MAF I got is a bit chewed up and broke, and now the newish one. So now it's the moment of truth. Quieter in a good way. All I can do is let it warm up, take it for a drive. Better. Hopefully it won't die on me driving no more now. It wasn't as much the rough idle, which is the usual case with a MAF sensor. It just kept cutting out when it was hot. But it's the 3 prongs with inside the MAF sensor inside the unit had burnt out. So if you take them apart, you can bend them back to make contact, but it only lasts so long. But it's still a good temporary solution to get until you get another. But I'll show you that in another video how I did that. But yeah, I'll take this out later, I think. The car's running fine. I forgot to take my camera out the other day when I took it out, but I've got new MAF sensor on there. I went to Southport the other day, took the little one out, drove fine. Took her to Trafford Centre the other day for this Build-A-Bear crap, and drove fine. I'm just on my way back from Leyland from the RC club, and again, driving fine, no cutting out, no missing, no nothing, so happy days. So the car's been freshly fully serviced and it's just running like new again. But I've had quite a bit of work done. I've had all the top mounts sorted on the suspension, like I say, the full service, so diff oils, gear oils, engine oils, plugs, mother waters, fluids, antifreeze, you name it, it's been done. The only letdown when my alloy cracked, kind of a bit gutting really, because I didn't really want to have to fork out for new wheels and tyres and stuff. But it's one of them, shit happens. So no, it just pulls fine through all gears. It's just lovely, it's just nice to be back on the road again. Cobwebs blown out. Sorry about the wobbly camera. Oh look, my dad's in front. bad for a 21-year-old. Yeah, I'm more than suited with a car. Nice one to Brian Coward for sorting that out. Joys of driving and not having that worry of, is it going to die, is it going to stall on me, man, that monkey. Oh, I think I need a new bracket on after this. You'll be all like, woohoo! Anyway, I'm back home now. I just thought I'd check in and finish off the video. Like I say, I forgot to take the camera out, so I'll keep popping back in with a few videos. Hopefully get to a couple of shows, and yeah. But if you're not already subscribed to this channel, then